Hello friends, today I'm going to show you like one of the error could not insert a backup and restore history details into msdb database. Okay, so to simulate this issue with the restore and backup, I have some demos. So just on practical purpose, I'm showing you. So now, as of now, if I see my some msdb is in online state. Now I'm setting into read only. It is done. Now go to refresh and see it got some MSD read only database. Now you know that whenever we take that backup, every detail will go into MSDB tables and the log file as well. Here log file error log file is good, and now MSDB database is in read only. We cannot do any modifications. Now if I see here, click done. See, this is the error what we get. If I open do that notepad, see this is the error. Process these many done but failed, cannot insert, these are the error. Okay, backup was happened successfully, but we used to get error. Okay, now go to the C drive, go to C drive, see backup is there or not. Yeah, backup is there. C DBA, right? DBA full. Yeah, I am just removing that to confirm it again. Is it creating or not? And is done. Refresh it. Yeah, it is getting created. Backup is happening successfully, but we are getting this error. Okay, so it are there are some possible reasons why I'm getting. Sir, backups are happened, but logging is not happening to the MSDB table. That's the reason we are getting this issue error. So the corruption in the database, one of the reason. Corruption in the hard disk is one of the reason due to back sectors. In that corrupt bad sectors, we need to check from the Windows end, or you need to change to the new hard drive, or in the if it is a corruption in the database files, dbc check db might helpful. Antivirus scanning the mdf file, or that reason the SQL server not having permission on that file. Okay, instance was restarted after that some point of time, permissions was removed on the msdb file drive for the instance service account, and insufficient memory or disk space, error log further inputs, and exclusive logs on MSDB tables. Rebuilding MSDB is the last option. We need to avoid this kind of issues. Okay, so as of now, then backup is happening, right? But I don't want logging. Okay, so is a temporary solution. You can use dbcc trace on, so that logging will be disabled MSDB tables. Now, if you click here, it is done. See, I didn't get any errors. Okay, and now as of now, we can have avoided this issue like using this trace on 3001. Okay, so I have enabled like on global level. So as of now, if I see, it is done. Now I have shown you how we need to generate the issue in there. Now I'm going to show you using the restore. It is done. Now I'm opening the begin trans session. Now if I see here, it is done. Now I'm copying this thing, new query. Now if I click execute, it will be in blocked state only. Now if I click here, properties standard, hard blocking reports, see, it got blocked. But if I see blocking execute statement, there is no such. Okay, transaction user transaction active on object 55 session is on this object session ID. Now if I click here and now I click a cancel here, see, this is the error, the same error what I used to get. If I see this database got restored, see resource.e. So this is how these are very sample databases. If you have any such kind of that, so you can first implement on the test servers, and you can later on you can use these solutions. So we got the issue. Why? Because these are the now it's the same issue. You can use the trace on file and restore the database. If I go here now, as of now, you can use apart from that. For example, I'm getting the issue here commit right for this. So I need to use rollback. So I need to leave the lock here. Now if I click here, that is done. See immediately when the lock got released, immediately it got restored. So I hope you may like my initiative. Thank you. Bye.